Hello, and welcome to my video on the January 2019 Algebra 2 Regents, question number 11. In this question, we are asked which expression is equivalent to, and we see this entire expression that has the imaginary number I in there, and we're told where I is the imaginary unit, and x is a real number. So to determine the solution, we can perhaps first address the exponent here in this first parentheses. So 2x minus I squared, we should handle that by, as in the case of any time when we're squaring, just multiply 2x minus I by itself and see what we get from that. So this would require FOILing or distributing out. So 2x times 2x would give us 4x squared. 2x times minus I would give us minus 2xi. Minus I times 2x would also give us minus 2xi. And minus I times minus I would give us plus I squared. And as is the case when we FOIL out or distribute out binomials, we can combine some like terms perhaps here. So the negative 2xi and the negative 2xi are both like terms. So adding those up, we would get negative 4xi's. And the other thing to remember is that I squared, remember that's equal to negative 1. So we'll just put in here minus 1 for I squared. And that's the best we can do with 2x minus I being squared. And so now perhaps try to simplify the other binomial expressions that we have here. So we have 2x minus I being multiplied to 2x plus 3i, and we'll just FOIL this out, distribute this out to see what we get from this. So term by term, 2x times 2x again gives us 4x squared. 2x times 3i would give us positive 6xi. Negative I times 2x would give us minus 2xi. And negative I times positive 3i would give us minus 3i squared. And as I did when I FOILed out 2x minus I squared, combine like terms over here, in particular 6xi minus 2xi, we can combine those together to get plus 4xi. And remember, I squared is equal to negative 1. When we pull that negative 1 out from I squared, that's being multiplied to negative 3, which would give us, would be negative 3 times negative 1, which would give us positive 3. And so now that we've multiplied both these terms out, we can now carefully put this together. We have 4x squared minus 4xi minus 1 when we simplified the squaring of that binomial. And then we have to subtract the result that we got over here by multiplying out these two binomials. So carefully I'll write the 4x squared plus 4xi plus 3 that we got in a parentheses. That needs to be subtracted. So if we keep this whole first trinomial expression and then perhaps change the subtraction to addition, we need to then change all the signs of the terms inside of parentheses here. So we have now plus negative 4x squared minus 4xi minus 3, and now we can combine all the like terms. So 4x squared minus 4x squared will cancel. Negative 4xi and negative 4xi would actually give us negative 8xi, and negative 1 and minus 3 would give us minus 4. And this is our final answer. And when we look at the choices, this matches up to choice number 1. The order is just switched around, but that's okay. Addition is commutative, so we can put the negative 4 first, the negative 8xi second, and again, the answer is choice 1. So I hope this video helped you out with any questions you had on this problem. Good luck with all your studies, and thank you for watching my video. Take care.